Are you tired struggling and fighting with your water hose? You can't even like trying to figure out where's the end and how we're gonna get this started. So we don't need this anymore. Thank you to vegogarden. The new advanced water hose is all you need. vegogarden hose, we could spend less time, stop wasting time trying to figure out where's the end and how we're gonna untangle that. Easy to use, more time in the garden. And this right here is a eco-friendly UV protection. It's rotate 180 degrees. See that? So wherever you're going, the angle is, you could turn it. It has a handle over here too, or you have another handle over here to pull it. It's a retractable hose, comes in 3 different type of colors. It was easy to install. All what I recommend, if when you're going to be screwing this up, make sure you have some kind of support like a 2x4. They do send 4 bolts and anchors and everything you need, every single thing you need. What I love about this, you have a nice hose nozzle here. You have 9 different pattern. You could put it on and off. You could control slow or high. Also, you have a quick release right here. All of them, look at that. They send 2 different quick release, and you have off and on right here control. Let me show you guys. You guys can see on and off right here, and it's retractable, and it got this bumper stopper right here. So make sure the hose doesn't go in. So what do? You pull it out. I'm gonna show you guys real quick, and automatically stop right there. You don't have to. When you're ready, all you have to do is just pull this like that, and it comes right here. No more mess, no more tangulation over here, no more of this. I'm tired of that, baby. And they also send this part right here. This is like a high pressure one. This is probably gonna get out all those weeds, so this is gonna come in handy. We're gonna test it out to show you guys. All we do, you pull it wherever you want, and we're gonna show you a little pressure here. So you see that it spins, it rotates wherever I go. So that's when it comes in handy. And you don't have to hold. There's no pressure like pulling you back or anything. Everything is easy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn this on. And ready? Whoa! So look at the pressure, and we're gonna swap it. See, got a little mist. Ooh, that came right back to me. Perfect. We got every single thing here. Make sure you take it off here before swapping. A little water gonna come out, and then we're gonna grab this one right here. Easy, everything is easy, quick connect. And then you could lock it. You see, like right here, on and on. What you do is just turn it, it locks. How awesome that is. So we're gonna turn this back on. Now we're gonna use our pressure. Whoa, holy smoke. So you can see this thing goes really far. Whoa. So this will definitely, when I'm power washing or washing anything off, this is gonna help a lot. This is pretty good. I like this. Good pressure. My old hose, not because I'm trying to video this and commercial this hose right here. I'm gonna try to tell you guys everything great. No, I'm telling you, my last 10 hose that I use, it was awful. It did not have this much pressure. I did not realize my pipe had this much pressure, to be honest to you. Let's go water some plants in the garden. Do not water your plants directly. Water the soil, the roots that observe the water. So if you water your leaves and it's summertime, sometimes the sun comes out, it'll dry your leaves and make it crispy and eventually damaging the plant. So we avoid watering the leaf. And that's it. Done. I don't water too much, but this hose, oh my, this is all the vegogarden bed right here. The round one and the L shape. Look at that. We're gonna turn up, clean all the bed out. This I'm gonna be washing the trucks. I have a F350 over there, so this is gonna do really good washing the truck and washing all over. See that? I'm gonna turn it up here. Whoa, man! I gotta tell you, this is pretty good. vegogarden, thank you guys so much for sending me this out. I really need this. This is summertime, and we need something like this because I do a lot of pressure washing too, so this will come in really handy. So we're gonna test out some different one to show you guys. See that? Literally good pressure, man. See how far up? It reaches really far. Whoa, geez, like a rain. You got every different style you want on here, everything. And it's easy to swap. All you gotta do, you pull the hose and then it's gonna retract by itself. All you gotta do is gently hold it, like I'm doing right now, And good thing about it, it turns as you go. Keep going. Done. And then we just lock this off. And this baby's right there. Put it wherever you want. That's it. Overall, it's a really good quality of a water hose. I might need one more for my front garden. So easy, and literally I love the rotation, I love the retraction, and it was easy to install. As I said though, just make sure you screw it on a stud. It does carry some weight. It's a little bit heavy, so you want to make sure you screw it in really good. Use your anchor and stuff like that. And check in the description box. For a limited time, I have a discount code, so you do not have to pay full price. They have 3 different colors. They have like the 100 feet, 130 feet, and stuff like that. And then my discount code will also work for their garden bed and stuff, so you don't have to pay full price when you're watching with Green Tea. All right, listen, I'm an old school guy. I like to get up in the morning and I like to go in my garden and water. I use a hose. If I walk in and see my plants in water and talk to my plants and sing some song, listen to the birds, and then tell them don't come eat my plants. All right, so listen, I appreciate everybody who's been watching and subscribing. If you're new, welcome to GreenTGarden. We're all about growing a better home garden together. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for 100% free. Anytime I upload a video, you guys will get it right away. And so we're in springtime right now, so we have a lot of video coming up, and I do appreciate it. And thank you again to vegogarden to sending out this. I really appreciate it, and I love it. I have no complaint. All right, so thank you so much. Don't forget, check in the description box, guys.